Deitado frente ao mar, de Celso Emilio Ferreiro.
Deitado frente ao mar, lingua proletaria do meu povo, eu faloa porque sí, porque me gosta, porque me peta e quero e dame a gana, porque me sae de dentro, ao lado fondo dunha tristura ceda que me abrangue o ver tantos patufos desligados.
Proletarian language of my people. I speak it because I do, because I like to, because that's how I feel, and I want to, and I have an urge to, because it comes from inside of me, from the depths of a bitter sorrow that takes hold of me. Oh, when I see so many disloyal jacknates.
Pequenos mequetrefes e raíces, que ao pôr a garabata xa non saben afirmarse no amor dos desvaneceiros, falar a fala nai, a fala dos avós que temos mortos.
Rootless little good-for-nothings who, once they'd on their lives, forget how to affirm themselves in the love of their ancestors, to speak our mother tongue, the tongue of our dead forebears.
E ser co rostro erguido, mariñeiros, labregos da linguaxe, remo e arado, proa e rella sempre.
And to be with head held high, sailors and farmers of language, oar and plough, prow and share always.
Eu falo porque sí, porque me gusta, e quero estar cos meus, coa xente miña.
I speak it because I do, because I like it, and I want to be with those who are mine, with my people.
Preto dos homens vos que sofren longo unha historia contada noutra lingua.
Close to the good men who for long have suffered, a story told in another language.
Non falo pros soberbios, non falo pros ruíns e poderosos, non falo pros finchados, non falo pros valeiros, non falo pros estúpidos, que falo pros que aguantan resamente mentiras e injusticias de cotío.
I don't speak for the proud, I don't speak for the despicable and the powerful, I don't speak for the puffed up, I don't speak for the empty, I don't speak for the stupid, because I speak for those who stoutly endure lies and injustices day after day.
Para os que súan e choran, un pranto cotean de bolboretas, de lume e vento sobre os ollos nus. Eu non podo arredar as miñas verbas de todos os que sofren neste mundo.
For those who sweat and weep, a daily lament of butterflies, of fire and wind over naked eyes, I will not distance my words from all those who suffer in this world.
E ti vives no mundo, terra miña, verse da miña estirpe.
And you live in this world, land of mine, cradle of my base.
Galicia, 12 magoadas Españas, deitada frente ao mar, ise camiño.
Galicia, sweet star of the Spain, lying before the sea, the road.